Welcome to Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Myself, Chikrana, lecturer in Commercial Practice, Government Polytechnic, Chintamani. Today, I want to discuss about Financial Accounting 1, subject code 20CP 12T, first semester, Unit 4, Cash Book, Session 12. Recap: problems and solutions on analytical petty cash book. In the previous classes, we discussed about the problems on analytical petty cash book. Table of content: problems and solutions on analytical petty cash book. Learning objectives: know the basic knowledge of petty cash book, familiarize with basic terms of accounting, familiarize with the methods of recording various business transactions, acquire necessary skills to maintain various books of accounts. Here the problem is given. The problem is like this: record the following transaction in a petty cash book. January 2017, January 1. Petty cashier is giving a monthly impressed amount rupees 10,000. He spends last month rupees 9,200 and got the balance from the head cashier today. January 2nd, paid for wages rupees 600. January 3rd, paid for sundry expenses 100. January 5th, paid for stationery 700. January 9th, paid for courier charges 200. January 12th, stamps purchased 750. January 14th, paid wages to casual labor 500. January 16th, stationery purchased 400. January 19th, paid for general expenses 610. January 20th, paid for cottage 800. January 22, paid for advertising rupees 900. January 24th, paid for postage 400. January 25th, paid for taxpayer rupees 840. January 27th, paid for entertainment rupees 600. January 29th, paid for carriage 500. January 31st, paid for petty repairs 700. Here the problem is given in 2017. These are all expenses made in the month of January 2017. While solving the problem, we are considering these things while preparing petty cash book. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2017 ಜಾನ್ವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. January 1st, petty cashier given a monthly impressed amount 10,000. He spent last month 9,200. We get the balance from the head cashier today. ಒಟ್ಟು 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯರಿಂದ 10,000 ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್. ಹಿಯರ್ total amount on January 1st 8,000 plus 9,200, 10,000 amount entered in receipt side. January 2nd, wages paid rupees 600, total column enter 600, then wages column enter 600. January 3rd, sundry expenses rupees 100, enter in total column, then miscellaneous expenses column 100. Next, January 5th, stationery purchased rupees 700, enter in total column 700, then printing a stationery column 700. Then January 9th, courier charges rupees 200, enter total amount 200 in total column, then rupees 200 in postage and telegram column. Then January 12th, stamps account, they purchase rupees 750 rupees stamps, total amount enter in total column 750, then in postage column also 750. January 14th, wages paid rupees 500, total column enter 500, then wages column enter 500 rupees. January 16th, the purchase stationery rupees 400, total column enter 400, then printing and stationery column also enter 400. Then January 19th, general expenses rupees 610, enter in total column 610, then miscellaneous expenses column 610. January 20th, cottage rupees 800, enter total column 800, then cottage column 800. January 22nd, advertisement 900, enter total column 900, then miscellaneous expenses column 900. Then January 24th, postage rupees 400, enter the amount in total column and postage column. January 25th, tax fare rupees 840, enter total column 840, then contingencies 840. January 22nd, 27, entertainment rupees 600, enter total 600 in total column, then miscellaneous expenses column 600. January 29th, carriage rupees 500, enter carriage 500 in total column and enter 500 in cottage column. Then January 31st, repairs 700, enter total amount in 700 and enter rupees 700 in miscellaneous expenses column. The total column, entire total is 8,600. The available cash receipt amount is 10,000. The difference is 1,400 balance carried down for next month. Here individual column also make the total. Then the balance on February 1st, 1,400 receipt column and 8,600 shown as a cash account. This is the petty cash book and the given information are prepared petty cash book. Here one worksheet is given. Prepare petty cash book from the following. 2019 January 1st, petty cashier gives a monthly amount of rupees 20,000. He spent last month rupees 8,000 and got the balance from the head cashier today. January 2nd, paid for wages 600. January 3rd, paid for sundry expenses 100. January 5th, paid for stationery 700. January 9th, paid for courier charges 200. January 12th, stamps purchased 750. January 16th, stationery purchased 400. January 19th, paid for general expenses 610. January 20th, paid for cottage 800. January 22nd, paid for advertising 900. January 24th, paid for postage 400. January 25th, paid for taxi fare 840. January 29th, paid for carriage 500. January 31st, paid for petty repairs 700. From these information, we prepare petty cash book. Thank you.